Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video is still about the SocketChat project, and I will in this video clean up the code so we will get more components. So when we are ready to work with the socketio in the next video, I will have more clean code so it's more easy for you to understand what happened. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy that. And of course, I hope you want to subscribe on the thing below in the right corner. This will help me very much. Thank you. And let's continue for this video. First, we want to create a view component more here. I'll call it the chat room. And then I want to create one more. Should be online people. Chat online people, and that's what we have right now. And I'll basically just copy this one because that's our chat room, and I'll put it inside here. I'll create a view outside, and I'll add one more. I'll call it members chat room. And I will say 5 here, and yeah, let's say 30. And I'll add a little bit class here, active. And no, it's not because we don't have included. So there's a chat room. I'll go back and scroll down to our component. Chat room, and what we've done here is put down the chat room up, and we have the chat room. So now we have to activate it and member chat rooms. That's perfect. Let's go for the next one. The next one should be the room where we have all our messages inside. Let's create one more. I forgot one. I'll call it chat message, and I'll go back for this one and take all the message down here and copy that. And I'm going for the chat message and put it inside. I will of course going back to the app and going down again with the import and chat message. Here we go, and include our component. Going up and say we have a component here called chat message. Should still be here. That's perfect. And the last thing we need now, it's the chat people. What's going online people? Yeah, and what this one. And we need to move the data here, and I will create one more because we need it later, but I'll just have it empty. And online people should be down here, and going for the app, online people, and we're going up here. And of course we need one now. I think no, it's not. It's included here. No, it's not. What I'm needing here is this one. It's because we use the scope variable here, and that's good because then it's meaning it's not going inside other components. So I will do the same here in the style, and we already have it here. And then going back, say we have the chat content, chat input box. Let's do it in wrong. That's wrong. Now I'm totally run on it. So I'll go inside to chat online people here. Yes, that's how we're going. We still have guests here. We still have the header and everything is running smooth. So I think that's it, and how we can clean up the code. You can follow with the next video where I will introduce how we can work with sockets. So I will create a Python script here. So that's the first thing where we want to work with Python. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy how we clean up in a single model. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you want to subscribe in the right corner on the thing. And of course, I hope you want to like this video and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, please make the comments below, and I will try to answer them as fast as possible. Thank you so much for giving time to watch my video, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.